Nepal is roughly like now countries situated between the Asian economic power, India and China. Where Nepal is a developed country where 60.6% people are under below the poverty lines. Nepal is landlocked, which there are Nepal is economically weak according to the census of COVID-19 and earthquake up to April 15, 2015. The feature of Nepal's economy are listed below. One low per capita income. The basic problem of Nepal's economy is very low. As you know, the average level of 2021 and 22 PCI level of our nation is $12,256 US, and according to the census of 2019-20, PCI of our national income is $1,097 per dollar. Two number mass poverty due to low PCI and PCI rate of our country. Also it is low in mass poverty. According to the survey of 2021-22, 18.7% of mass poverty under the living poverty lines. Domestic economy. It is domestic in nature. It is trade deficit and capital monetization in markets. Depend on agriculture. According to the survey of 2021, the GDP of our country is 23.9%, and according to about 65% of active population are depend in our country in agriculture. Among them, neither childs or neither old peoples. And underutilization of natural resource. It is utilized probably due to lack of technology and capital markets, where there are more utilization of resources, but our country does not utilize those resources. Our country is very lack in utilization of natural resources. There are 6,000 river and rivers in our country, and with those utilization we can produce 83,000 of megawatt of electricity, but our country is not import power to utilize those resources, but our country is only utilize 1,200 megawatt, 1,233 megawatt of electricity from them. Point number 6, trade deficit. Nepal's foreign trade increasing year by year, but our export and import are very low. We are exporting only vegetable product and raw materials. Those from we cannot get more benefit, but our country import more from other countries, so we are trade deficit in our country. Shortage of capital. The average level of our country is very low. The gross domestic, according to the survey of 2020-21, that gross domestic is 7.7% and gross national product is 33.7%. Point number 8, industrial backwardness. The level of industrial backwardness is very low in our country. From them, there is no more level of income to utilize those capital technology, and from this we cannot get more benefit from market is very low. My topic is clear. If you any query, then ask me.
Queries? Any queries? This trade deficit. How is the character of deficit? What is the character of deficit economic status for on the regarding the trade deficit?
On the regarding of the characteristic of trade deficit, Nepal foreign trade increasing year by year, but decreasing in exports. So we cannot utilize from this capital too much in exporting our trades. So we have trade deficit in our countries.
What might be the remedies to decrease the trade deficit? Remedies, the ways to decrease the trade deficit. How can we decrease the trade deficit like in the past?
We can trade deficit minimize in our country by the utilization of more income from capital and markets to utilize more technology and uses those technology in industry, so we utilize and minimize trade deficit in Nepal.
Others from How many are different economics number in number?
कैसा?
How many numbers characteristics of that economic? How many points you have explained?
8 point.
What was first?
First one is low per capita income,
Second,
mass poverty.
what is mass poverty means?
Mass poverty means as the poverty line who is below from the poverty line who cannot intake proper quantity of goods.
What is the level of the poverty in Nepal?
18.7
13.7.
according to the census of 2020-21.
Census or survey?
कैसा?
Survey.
Survey of 2021.
Last one. Stand up and ask.
How can we minimize the industrial backwardness?
We can utilize industrial backwardness by the development of technology and skilled man, and we can manage our skilled manpower and limited market. If there is unlimited limited market in our country, then we can minimize the industrial backwardness.
Okay, Vishwas, let us say, do you understand how can we minimize the backwardness of the industrial? Vishwas is not up to. How is it possible to decrease the backwardness in industrial sector?
I think more human resource and development of country. We can industrialize the agricultural sector.